Good evening, sir.
Good evening. All of you have done your homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you can take out your that PDF where you have stored it. We are going to discuss now. Okay? This screen is visible to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I didn't submit this.
You then submit this by
Sir, I will submit it by tomorrow.
submit by tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So anyone is missing? All of you have joined now? Okay, some are yet to join. Okay. Okay, so let us start discussing. Okay, what will be the answer of this one?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, plus one.
Plus one.
Sir, plus one.
Plus one.
Sir, that is -2.
Minus two.
Sir, that is -1.
Minus one.
That is -1/2.
Minus half.
Sir, that is -1.
Minus one.
Sir, that is -1/3.
Minus one. H2.
Yeah.
Zero.
Zero. Okay. This Na2S, what is the sulfur? Sulfur. Na2S.
It will be -2.
Yes, to -2.
So it will be -2.
-2.
The
Then
That's it.
-2.
So S
number 91. Sir, 91.
260
91 answer.
Ninth one we'll discuss because I
Okay.
cannot scroll it
plus
down. Na.
6.
NH4Cl.
So -3.
Three.
Minus
Three.
3.
And what was this one? What is this one?
Please write
Hydrogen.
slowly, sir.
It is -1.
-1.
Okay. Anyone has any doubt in any of these?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
So in the last one, the charge is -1.
Because sodium will have plus one now. That is why. I had told this in class. Okay, wait a minute. Achha, who is having this doubt? Hello?
Sir, understand.
You understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for metal hydrides, hydrogen has -1. Okay. For metal hydrides, hydrogen will have oxidation state या फिर charge of -1. ठीक है? Okay. Okay, so I'm clearing the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. K2Cr2O7, what will be the answer?
T and the +6. +6.
Plus 6. Everyone got plus 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Na2Cr4?
That
Six.
Six.
NH3?
-3.
NH3 is
-2.
And 2H4?
-3.
Al
-2.
-3. Yes, sir.
Okay, all
-3.
correct. Anyone has any doubt in any of these?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so I'm clearing
No,
this. Okay, next. Okay, so who is going to tell? Adrika, you tell. Adrika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer of this one?
+1.
Plus 1.
No, sir.
Sir, can I say?
+3.
No, wait, Adrika.
Sir, can
Adrika,
I
you tell
say?
me. Adrika, how you are getting it plus 1?
Sorry, plus 3.
Plus 3. How you are getting plus 3?
Sir, and K, first we have to find the valencies of all, like K has the valency of plus 2.
K has valency of
Sorry,
plus 2.
plus 1, sorry, plus 1. Sorry, plus 1, then,
Then
and we have to carry as X, we have to find that. So, and O will be minus 2.
minus 2. ठीक है.
Then we have to calculate.
Correct. ठीक है. Okay. KNO3. Anjali, you tell. अच्छा, Anjali, I think Anjali does not know this. ठीक है. अनुश्रुता, आप बताइए.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Okay. Then K2CO3. What is carbon here? Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Okay. Next one is for Narith.
No.
Narith, you tell me what is the chlorine? What is chlorine here? Narith, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. The answer minus 1.
Minus 1 कैसे होगा?
Sir,
अरे wait यार, let it speak. All of
the
you be
answer
silent.
0, sir. 0, 0.
How it is
How
0? Narith?
0? How?
2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Plus 2x.
Plus 2x. ठीक है. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 2x is equal to 0. That is why you are getting x equal to 0. ठीक है.
0.
But something interesting to note here, this CaOCl2. Okay, it has one cation. Okay, all of you be silent. Okay, so here cation is Ca plus 2. Okay, and actually it has two anions. One anion is Cl minus.
Cl minus and another is
OCl minus. OCl minus. Okay.
Yes.
So for this Cl minus, the chlorine is having charge of minus 1.
Minus 1. For OCl, it's having plus 1.
For this chlorine, it is having plus 1.
Plus 1.
Okay. So that is why overall you are getting as 0. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So someone can
Yes,
tell
sir.
me CH3COOH. What is the oxidation state of carbon here? Who is going to
Sir,
tell? Anushruta, आप बताइए.
Sir, can I say?
1 minute.
Anushruta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm calculating it.
Calculate.
Sir, we have to calculate different two different parts.
I got the answer, sir.
Sir, is it?
Is
Sir,
it
is it minus 4?
minus 4? Here, how you are telling minus 4?
Sir, the answer is 0.
The answer is 0.
no, minus 3.
Minus 3. Okay. Any other answers?
Yes.
Please wait, sir.
So how many?
Calculating.
Calculate.
Sir, this is 0.
Sir,
0, sir.
so the first carbon should be minus 3, sir.
First carbon is minus 3. I also will minus 3.
Yes, sir. I also.
Okay.
Both the carbon is
0.
Okay. Overall, is carbon is having 0. How many of you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Overall, they are having 0. One carbon has minus 3. One carbon has plus 3.
ठीक है. So here carbon will have a charge of 0. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So both the carbon together will have.
Both the carbon together will have 0. Individually, we cannot tell using our formula. Okay. For that, we have to study the structure. I have taught you how to calculate the n factor using structure.
No, sir.
No, na?
Sir.
Okay. Then we'll study in class 11. Okay. For now, you can just take carbon as X. Okay. So 2 carbon, so 2x plus 4 hydrogen, that is plus 4. 2
4
oxygen, that is minus 4. So this is 0. X is equal to 0. Is
0.
it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay. So I'm clearing everything. Okay. Okay. Then all of you just match your answers. Okay. I'm not. Don't shout. Okay. This is plus 2. This is plus 1. This is plus 4. This is plus 2. Plus 2. No, this is plus 4. This is plus 5. This is plus 1. Oh, sorry. This is plus 2.
So it's
Okay.
2.
All
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Then carbon, here it will be plus 2, here it will be plus 4, here it will be plus 4, here it will be plus 4, here it will be plus 4. Any doubt in
Yes.
this?
No, sir.
Sir,
Then,
having a doubt.
Sir,
who is having a doubt?
Sir, Ashmita.
Ashmita.
sir, can you explain?
Which one?
NH4.
NH4.
hold to CO3. That's why.
This one.
Yes, sir. I also have doubt in this question.
Okay, Srijita and Ashmita are having doubt in this one. Okay, so first of all, you segregate the cations and anions. Okay, so what is the cation here, Ashmita?
Sir, nitrogen.
Nitrogen is not a cation.
Can I say?
Yes, sir. Can I say?
Wait a minute.
I say?
Wait a minute. Who was having doubt? Ashmita and Srijita. Okay, Srijita, you tell me what is the cation in this compound?
So, and
so can I try?
So can I say?
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. All of you are very intelligent. I understand. Let them answer. Okay, Ashmita, you don't know how to identify the cations or anions?
NH4.
Srijita, क्या बोल रही थी आप?
The is the cation NH4?
See, cation. What is the mean? What do you mean by cation? First of all, you tell me.
So can I say?
Oh, let her answer.
They are positively charged.
Positively charged. Okay. So,
Yes,
do you
sir.
see any positive charge here in this compound? हाँ, अश्मिता बताइए, कटायन क्या है इसमें?
Sir, hydrogen.
Hydrogen is the cation. See, you are speaking correctly. बस यहाँ पे आपने चार्ज बताया नहीं, ठीक है? Ammonium ion is the cation, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. That's one. Yes, sir.
Okay, श्रीजिता, ये चीज क्लियर है आपको?
So, yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the anion here, Srijita?
Sir, that CO3 minus 2. It's overcharged.
Sir, I got the answer for yes, sir.
CO3 2 minus, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you have to find out? You have to find out for carbon. So you will consider this part, ठीक है? Let us say carbon is having a charge of X, ठीक है? Oxygen will have minus 2 into 3 and overall it will be minus 2. So that is how you are getting X equal to plus 4.
Yes, I understand. I understood my mistake.
ठीक है?
Sir, I actually did nitrogen and hydrogen separate.
You did nitrogen and hydrogen separately.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this question is clear. Then let us move on. Okay, so this will be plus 4.
Even
This
if
will
we
be plus
take
2.
separate,
Plus
the answer will be
2.
the same one.
Huh?
Sir, even if we take separately, the answer will be the same itself.
Yes, sir.
Answer will be same. Okay. oxygen is having -2 here, -2 here, -1 here, -2 here, and -2 here.
-2. Yes.
Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt
Yes,
in
sir.
this one?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
No, sir.
Then phosphorus will have +3,
Plus
+5, -3, +5,
+5
+5, +3.
Sir, I have a doubt in oxygen's question number 2.
Which one?
The CO.
CO.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will be -4, sir.
Yes, sir,
It's a -4.
No, oxygen cannot.
-2.
Okay.
Sir, but we proved
Just
that
wait a minute.
carbon's charge is 2 in the previous question.
Wait a
No,
minute. Wait a minute. Who is having this doubt? First of all, tell me.
Sir, Anushruta.
Anushruta. What is your doubt?
Sir, it should be -4.
Why it should be -4?
So because carbon carbon has valency oxidation state of 4.
No, carbon does not have oxidation state of +4 always. Okay.
So how can we identify when carbon is having which charge?
Okay, that depends on what it is bonding with. Okay. So first of all, let me clarify why oxygen can't have -4. Okay. Anyone can answer why oxygen cannot have -4?
Because it has 2 valence electrons.
Because it does not have 2 valence electron. It has 6 valence.
It has 6 valence electrons.
It is
Yes.
Sir, it can form only 2 bonds.
Because it can.
Form only 2 bonds with any.
2, yes.
Sir, it
Yes.
can accept 2 electrons to fulfill its
Okay,
octet.
that is the correct answer. Okay.
Hmm.
So oxygen, in order to fulfill its octet, because it is having 6 electrons already, it can just accept 2 electrons. So at max, it can have a charge of -2. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
So
charge
why is,
on. Tell.
so can you again explain why -2?
So why -2? Because how many electrons are there in the outermost shell of oxygen?
4.
4.
4.
No.
6.
6.
So there are 6.
Is it clear?
In the first shell and
Yes, sir.
So it is having 6 electrons already. So it just needs 2 electrons. So that is why it can go till -2, not beyond that.
So
Boliye?
it in the outer shell it has 6 electrons.
Yes, it has 6 electrons. You didn't know this? See, oxygen has 6 electrons now. Nitrogen has 5 electrons. These things you have to memorize. Carbon has 4 electrons. Yeah, like this. Boron has 3 electrons.
Sir,
All of the
chlorine has 7 electrons.
chlorine has 7 electrons, correct?
But chlorine exhibits a variable valency as well.
Chlorine exhibits variable valency as well. ठीक है? तो
Yes, sir,
ये
it can have a valency of 1357.
correct. Okay, here आपको ये doubt clear हुआ? Oxygen cannot have -4. Oxygen will always have -2 only. ठीक है? Unless it is associated with some alkali metals, there it can have -1/2, -1/3, as we have seen earlier. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Sir, as we saw it in KO3.
KO3 it was -1/3. ठीक है? Okay. This question is clear to everyone completely. Oxygen one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this phosphorus one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in the
the last one.
15th
Which one?
one.
15.
Last.
Okay, who is having doubt? First of all, you tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in the 12th one. Sorry, not 15th one. 12th one.
Where is the
Last
12th
question.
one? Last
Balancing
question.
one.
12.
Sir, I felt that there was a incorrect formula there. 12th one.
One
Sir,
second,
yes,
one
sir.
second.
I also felt that in
Yes,
12th.
sir, I
have
One
a doubt.
second, 1 second. Just, is there any doubt in this section?
No, sir.
No.
No,
No
sir.
one? Okay, I'm moving ahead. So in this question, which of the following things are oxidation state of each element, and mention which is oxidizing, which is getting reduced. Okay. So all of you attempted this correctly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, have you
So
checked our homework?
Sir, actually, I had a big problem in balancing a few of the equations. Sir.
okay.
Last few of the
We'll
equations.
we'll come to that. We'll come to that.
Sir, I have a doubt in the fifth question.
Okay.
So one question was wrong here.
Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
one question was wrong, the 12th
Wait a
one.
minute. Wait a minute. Question number 1 to 5. Is there any doubt?
The fifth
So what
one.
will be the first one? Can you tell?
First one.
Yes.
First one you
Yes,
have to
sir.
calculate. Okay. Who is having this doubt in first one?
Sir, I am Adrita.
Adrita. Okay.
Yes.
तो अद्रिका आपको इसमें अद्रिता सॉरी आपको क्या करना है कार्बन पे आप चार्ज बताइए अद्रिता
Sir, 0.
0 ऑक्सीजन पे
Sir, -2.
Sir, 0.
Sir, 0.
Oh, yes, sir, 0. Sorry, 0.
इस कार्बन पे
+4.
+4.
+4 and on this oxygen
-2.
-2 ठीक है
Yes, sir. I actually did that O2 one -2. That's why. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Understood.
any other doubt in 1 to 5
Sir, the fifth one. Sir.
so question number
LiCl2.
fifth one this one
Yes, sir.
okay so what is the charge on Li+1 sorry I spoke
There should be +1.
Li is a +1.
carbon
+1.
+4.
+4.
oxygen
-2.
-2.
hydrogen
One.
+1.
+1.
+1 chlorine
-1.
+1.
-1 and on this side also same charges will be there
Yes.
Sir, LiCl2, LiCl.
okay
Yes, sir.
should
It's
be
not
LIC.
balanced. That's what's my doubt.
okay
Sir,
so this is not a redox reaction ठीक है
Then the balancing is wrong.
Yes.
what the balancing is wrong
Sir, then 2HCl will be not there.
Yes.
2HCl will not be there no H2 will be there no 2HCl will be there
So can you explain
Sir, it is correct.
can you explain how the charge on C is +4?
in this case
Yes, sir.
okay so let us say carbon is having X ठीक है so X plus lithium will have +1 ठीक है alkali metals I had told into 2 plus oxygen will have -2 and 3 oxygen atoms is equal to 0 so X equal to +4 is it clear here
Yes, sir. I was not multiplying 1 into 2 in the lithium. Therefore, I was not getting.
okay
Understood, sir.
okay anyone has doubt in 6 to 9
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
absolutely no one
No, sir.
okay okay then question number 10 to
Sir,
15
I have a sir, I have
12.
doubt in the
11th one.
from where did hydrogen come from? 12th one.
Yes, sir. How did
Sir, I have
hydrogen?
a doubt in the 11th one
Not
also.
there, sir. Hydrogen.
Okay. question number this to this which question you are asking
Sir,
Sir.
11th.
12th, sir.
12th number
12.
12, yes.
okay 12th number
Sir, how did hydrogen come
Ki
Yes,
IO2
sir. From there.
KOH okay hydrogen should not be there
So should be I2 plus KOH.
or if hydrogen is there then this side H2O should be there
Yes.
now you can balance this.
Sir,
Any
sir,
other
and
doubt?
also, can you balance the equations from 13 to 17, sir?
Question number 13 to 17
Sir, I'm
Balance
having a doubt in
equation
the
number
11th one.
17. Only 17.
only 17
Yes, sir.
Sir, also the 13th one.
also the 13th one okay one by one we'll see okay 13th okay let us
Yes, sir,
start
the others are balanced, 13 and 17.
ठीक है Okay, so let us say we take this as x. Okay, so because if you take this as x, then fe will be 2x this side, and only source of fe is this one, so this will be 2x. Okay, then 1 second. K you can take. Okay, only source of k here is this one, so if you take this as y, this will be
2y.
2y. Okay, and as soon as this is 2y, mn becomes 2y, and only source of mn is this, so this will be 2y. Okay,
Yes.
then hydrogen. Okay, then what all things are remaining? Sulfur is
Sir,
remaining.
can you repeat once?
Who is asking this to repeat?
Sir, Ashmita.
Ashmita. Okay, so once again I'll clear this. Okay, you can start from anywhere. Okay, so I'm starting from this compound. Okay, let us say this is having a coefficient of x. Okay, as soon as you make this x, iron is 2x this side. Okay, and the only source of iron is this compound on the what is this, LHS, so that is why this should have a coefficient of 2x. Okay, similarly you can take this one as y, so this will make potassium equal to 2y this side, and only source of potassium is this one, so this will be 2y. Okay, now as soon as this becomes 2y, the mn becomes 2y on this side, so this will also have 2y. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what all things are left unbalanced now? We have hydrogen, we have sulfur, and we have oxygen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for hydrogen, let us say we are taking this as Z. Okay, so that will make the hydrogen to be 2Z, and only source of hydrogen on this side is this thing, so this will also be Z. Okay, now
So
hydrogen
why
is also settled now. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now let us balance sulfur. On
So why
LHS,
Z? Only Z on RHS?
you can take anything. You can take A, B, C, something, anything you can take. Okay,
No,
I've
sir. H2O. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Sir. Yes, yes, sir. I understood.
okay, hydrogen only these two compounds are having, that is why you can. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us balance sulfur. So here how many sulfurs you are seeing? 2x. Okay. Here how many sulfur you are seeing? 0. Here how many sulfur you are seeing? Z. Okay. So on LHS you have 2x plus Z sulfur. Okay. This side how many sulfur you are seeing? Y.
Y.
This 2y.
2y.
This
And X.
6x.
6x. Yes, sir. 3 into 2x.
Yes, sir. 6X.
Okay.
Yes.
So this will be equal to 3y plus 6x. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
why 6x?
Why 6x? Because sulfur is having x here and 3 here. Okay, it should not be 6x, it should be 3x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3x. Good. So now let us simplify this equation. So this will become z equal to 3y plus x. Okay, this is one equation we are having. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us balance the oxygen. So with red color I'm marking. So how many oxygen are here in this compound? 8x.
Yes,
Here
sir.
how many oxygen? 8y.
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 Here
8y
how many
Z.
oxygens?
4
4Z.
yes. 4Z.
4z. Here how many oxygens?
4Y.
4y. Here
Yes, sir. The 8.
8Y.
8y. Here
Yes, sir. The
12x.
12X.
Here
And
z.
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 Okay. So LHS we have 8x plus 8y plus 4x. Okay. So 8x plus 8y plus 4z. This will be equal to 4x plus 4y plus 8y, that is 12y. 12y plus 12x
12x
Plus Z.
plus z.
plus Z.
Okay. Okay. So this is 4z. Okay, everything is correct till now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this and this you can make up as 4x. Okay. Plus this and this you can make up as 4y is equal
4y.
to 3z. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 4x plus 4y plus 3z gives
No, 4x plus 4y is equal to 3z. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have two variables. Sorry, three variables and two equations. Okay. Can anyone explain why we are getting such a scene? Why you are getting only two equations when you have three variables?
Because there are three reactants.
No. See, the coefficient of the reaction should
Because
come.
there are three reactants and 4 products.
Three reactants and four products. No. See, why we are having this? Okay, you try. All of you first try. I'll explain later.
Because none of them are balanced.
It is not
Unbalanced element.
unbalanced element. No, no, it is not the correct explanation.
Sir, if there are two equations and if there are three variables and two equations, so then we have to substitute value in one of the variables to find out the other two variables.
That's what I'm asking. Why you are substituting it? Why you are not able to solve this? Should I explain or you want to try? Try for some time. See, okay, I'm explaining. Why x comma y comma z, okay? Why these three cannot have a unique solution? Okay. Why they are not having a unique solution? Because for a reaction, this solution does not have to be unique. Okay. For example, let us say you have this equation: H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So you can write it like this: 2H2 plus. Okay. Is it correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Same reaction, you can write it like this: H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. This is also correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That is
sir.
why these coefficients X, Y, and Z, their value does not has to be unique. You're able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Although the
Sir, it
ratio,
can be variable many values.
it can take infinitely many values, but the ratio of the coefficients X is to Y is to Z should be same. Okay?
Same.
Yes, sir.
That is why always when you are balancing the equations using these variables, you will always have one variable more than the number of equations. Okay?
So this
So
means we have to make another equation.
no, you don't have to make another equation. You can substitute.
We need to substitute a value.
Okay. So we
I
can
mean
substitute
to
the value
say,
of z.
I mean to say, you can take any value of X or Y or Z. One of these value you can take depending on what is your will. Okay? And based on that, you can calculate the other two. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where is that
So can you
equation?
Sir, what value we should take for now?
So we can substitute z.
One second. You can substitute Z. Z.
So z with 3y plus x in the first.
Z is 3y plus x and Z is 4x plus 4y. Okay. You can take x as 1. Okay. Just take x as 1 and let us see how things go. X as 1, will that be easy?
So then z minus 3y equals to 1.
Z minus 3y is equal to 1. This is first equation. Second equation is 3z minus 4y is
Equals
equal
to
to
4.
4. Okay.
Z
Solve
minus 3y equals to 1 or x?
Z minus 3y is equal to 1. X I have taken 1. Okay. X is equal to 1 I have put in these two equations. Okay. So here you are going to get 3z minus 4y is equal to 4. These two equations are clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Yes,
sir.
just solve these two equations and get the value of x and y. Sorry, z and y. X is already 1. Z and y. Calculate this.
Sir, Z is 3 by 2.
Z is 3 by 2. Are you sure?
Yes, sir, I'm getting that. Also.
And Y is?
No, sir, no, sir. Sir, I just did a mistake.
So the second equation is 3z minus 4y equals to 4.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. The y equals to 1 by 5. Y.
Y equal to 1 by 5. Are you sure?
The z equals to 3 by 5.
Z equal to 3
X
by
equals
5.
to 5.
And Y equal to? See, Z cannot be 3 by 5.
Wait.
Sir, Y equals to 1 by 5.
Yes, sir. Y. The.
Sir, Y.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Y is equal to 1 by 5.
Yes, sir. The answer is. Sir, the z equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5.
Z
Yes,
equal to 6
z
by 5.
equals 6 by 5. Yes.
Everyone is getting these two answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So y is equals to 1 by 5.
Y is equal to 1 by
Sir,
5.
Z should be, I think, 8 by 5, sir. Please check, sir, because we are getting Y as
1 plus
1
so
by
1
5
plus
and
3 by
to
5.
minus 3 will be minus 3 by 5 equals to Z equals to 1 plus 3 by 5. So
Yes,
It
sir.
is
Z
8
is
by
8 by
5.
5.
Equals to 8 by 5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Z is 8 by 5 and Y is 1 by 5. Okay.
1
So
by
here,
5, yes.
here I have solved this. Okay. It is 1 by 5 and this is 8 by 5. Okay. Okay. So 1 second. So just take a screenshot of this because I have to clear this.
Yes, sir, just 1 second, sir, just 1.
So
Yes.
So after we put the values of x, y, z, we can multiply the
By 5.
coefficients with any, yes,
With
5.
any number.
Okay.
With any number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With any number you can multiply.
Then X can be 5.
X can be 5. Okay.
Amma,
Okay. Is it clear to everyone? I can erase it.
sir, 1 second, sir, just 1 second. Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So our answer is x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 5 and z equal to 8 by 5. Okay. Now you can multiply these answers by any coefficient. Okay. So you can make it x equal to 5, y equal to 1 and z equal to 8. Okay. Okay. Is this question clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any
Yes.
doubt? No doubts?
So x is equals to 5, y is equals to 1 and z is equals to 8.
Yes, that is correct. Okay. Okay, I'm clearing this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now you can try this 14 two other ones which we were asking. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I had a doubt in only 17 months, sir. So I can
Yes, sir. Also only 17.
Yes, sir. 14 and 15 can manage.
I have done 14 and 15.
17, is there anything wrong in the question or something? Okay, let us say. Let us calculate this. This is x. This should be 2x. Okay.
To
Oh
then
no. This is 2x then. Sulfur you are getting x here and sulfur should be x here also. Okay. Now Mn is 2x plus x 3x. Mn is 3x. Okay. And okay, only thing unsettled is Acha, H2O plus H2O. Okay, there is something wrong here. There is something wrong here. Okay, so what all things are unbalanced now? We have balanced x and 2x. K is already balanced. We have balanced sulfur is already balanced. Mn is already balanced.
The Mn is only x in the reactant side, right?
Mn is only
X on the reactant side.
No, 3x.
The
3x.
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 Okay. Then what is unsettled? Hydrogen and oxygen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this compound is little, these two compounds are little doubtful. Maybe I have written something wrong. Yeah. Okay, let us see. So let us start with oxygen. You are having how many oxygen on this side? 8x plus 4x, that is 12x.
12x.
And here you are having 6x plus 4x, that is 10x.
10x.
10x, yes, sir.
Okay, so here it should be 2x. Okay, plus some compound, this we don't know. Okay. What about hydrogen? Acha, hydrogen is, we don't know. Okay, one second. So if you make it like this, if you make it as
So why 2x?
huh?
So why plus 2x?
This is little wrong. Okay, leave this question. Okay. I think I wrongly wrote something. Maybe
So
one
in
of the
so the
H2O should be
same
H2SO4. Okay. हाँ बोलो.
So H2 and that will be H2.
हाँ बोलिए क्या who was
so
telling?
in the same way we can balance the others all other reactions also.
Yes, you can balance. ठीक है. Okay, any doubt in these three?
No, I'm having a doubt in the 11th one.
You are having a doubt in 11th one. Why didn't you ask earlier?
Shouting said so long one is there.
Okay, question number 11th. Let us see.
Sir, I just wanted to know the charge of the different elements in there.
Okay. So 11th, calcium will have +2, oxygen will have -2, chlorine will have 0, hydrogen +1, this -2, this +2, oxygen -2, hydrogen +1, chlorine 0. Is it clear?
0.
But this
Why
is not a
calcium
redox
plus
reaction.
4?
Anyone has any doubt?
Yes, sir. So why calcium on the reactant side is plus 2?
Calcium, no, calcium will always have +2. I had told na,
Alkaline earth metal.
alkaline earth metal always have +2.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, any other doubt?
So can you scroll downwards?
Okay, I'm scrolling downwards.
Sir, we'll start a new chapter today.
If time permits, we'll start. Okay. What question you are having doubt?
So is the reducing agent in question number 18 is hydrogen?
What is the reducing agent in question number 18?
Yes, sir. Is it
Sir,
hydrogen?
Reducing agent.
Hydrogen.
Both are HI only. Okay? It is getting reduced also.
Yes,
It is
sir.
getting oxidized also.
Yes, sir. And for the 19th one also same.
9th also. Same thing is your oxidizing agent also, and same thing is your reducing
Reducing
agent
agent.
also. Okay.
So HI.
Okay.
Sir, H should have 0, I think so.
HI should have 0. No, it is plus
No,
hydrogen
H2,
plus
H2.
H2 should H2 is 0. Okay.
Sir, HI and CuI2 are the oxidizing and the reduced agents.
Yes. Okay. Anyone is having any other doubts?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So
in the that second last question, what is the reducing agent and what is the oxidizing agent?
both are CuI2 only. I told it third time.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone is having any other doubts? No doubts?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
This chapter is completely clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then on Saturday or Sunday, I will take a Viva on this chapter. Okay. So all of you be prepared very nicely. Prepare
We are
everything.
having biology test this Sunday.
Yeah, biology class on Sunday. Saturday, what
Today
about
biology
Saturday?
test is Saturday.
Saturday, I'm asking.
Saturday, what is the time, sir?
Saturday, you tell me the time.
Saturday we have advanced biology
Biology
class.
class, yes.
Advanced biology, what time to what time?
Sir, up to
Sir,
5.
So 3 to
3
5.
to 5.
3 to 5.
3 to 5. Okay, 5 to 6 is okay.
Okay, sir.
So,
So can you start at 5:30?
5:30 to 6:30.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, 5:30 to 6:30. Everyone is okay with this?
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay, sir.
having tuition from 7.
Huh? Who was telling 6 to 7?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was studying that.
Okay, one second. I'll clarify this. Viva will be, how many students are there? I think 15 students, 15 of you are there. Okay. So it will be a 14, whatever. Okay. So it will be a 5-minute Viva. So all of you, I will allot timing to all of you for 5 minutes. Okay. It is not that everyone has to be present entire 1 hour. Okay. So all of you have to just come, give Viva for 5 minutes, and then you can leave. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just be prepared very nicely, and have a camera have a good camera, matlab have a mobile or something that is having a camera with it. Okay.
So meaning we will come single or together?
What you are asking?
I didn't understand the 15 together 15. I mean, at what time we have to come together or?
I'll send the schedule to you. Okay. You will have 5 minutes between this 5:30 to 6:30, something like this. Okay. So you have to
Only for 5 minutes.
you just have to be present for 5 minutes. Okay. And I'll tell you which 5 minutes you have to be present. You just be there, and you will be in the waiting room. I shall let you in. Viva will go on 5 minutes. Then next candidate will come, like this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So all the best. All the best. Be prepared very nicely. Okay. And on next Wednesday we'll start our next chapter. Okay.
So which chapter you will start?
water.
You tell me which chapter.
So next
Water is
Can
okay.
you start periodic table?
No, sir. Water.
No, sir, start water.
So water.
It's a periodic table.
All of you
Water.
decide amongst yourself and just tell me on WhatsApp. Okay.
The water.
Water.
Sir, I have no problem with water also.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Water.
okay, we'll start water. Okay, end of this.
Sir, I just sent a PDF. Shall I resend
your
it?
You have already sent. No need to send it again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.